In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a cash flow report from Xero to WhatsApp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your cash flow insights out of Xero and into a conversation, quickly and securely. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the correct organization if your account has access to more than one. A stable internet connection helps everything load smoothly, especially when you're about to share a report. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. This is your hub for all kinds of financial summaries and detailed views. From here, select Cash Flow Manager. This area pulls together your cash movements so you can see what's coming in, what's going out, and what that means for your available cash. Take a moment to review the cash flow overview. You'll typically see sections that highlight inflows and outflows over a chosen period, along with trends that help you spot seasonality or changes in spending. Confirm the time frame is what you expect, and that the figures line up with recent activity. If something looks off, it's worth verifying that your bank feeds are up to date and that recent reconciliations are complete before sharing the report. When you're happy with the overview, click Export. Depending on your device, Xero may generate a shareable file, such as a PDF, and open your system's Share menu. That's exactly what we want. In the Share options, select WhatsApp. If you don't see it right away, it might be under More or a similar option that expands your share targets. Next, enter the recipient details if needed. You can choose a recent contact, search for a name, or pick a group chat where your team or advisor expects to receive financial updates. Be mindful of privacy here. Only share sensitive reports with people who should have access. Before sending, review the cash flow report as it appears in WhatsApp. Open the preview to confirm the document is readable, the date range is correct, and the totals and headings look right. This quick check helps you avoid sharing the wrong period or an outdated draft. Once everything looks good, click Send. WhatsApp will deliver the report to your chosen recipient, and you'll see it in the conversation thread. Consider adding a short note in the message to highlight the key takeaway, such as the period covered or any significant movement. That's it. You've logged into Xero, navigated to the Cash Flow Manager, confirmed the numbers, exported the report, shared it via WhatsApp, and sent it with confidence.